Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Baz. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is I Sharpen, and I sharpen things on my Tormek T8. Today I'm sharpening an old Wilkinson sword knife. The steel is questionable. I don't know whether it's high quality. It could be, but to be on the safe side, I'm going to choose 17.5 degrees per side, so 35 degrees total. I think that's a nice medium angle. I normally go somewhere between 30 or 28 if it's a Japanese to about 40 if it's a boning knife. So 35 is kind of in the middle of the road there. I think it should come out fantastic. So this is a brand new wheel. I've just dressed it, sorry. I've dressed it and it's level and perfect, so no one's going to get upset. Now you'll notice, if you're new to the channel, that the wheel is spinning towards me. This is called edge leading, where the edge and the grinding surface meet together. It provides a more stable grind, I think, a smaller burr, and a better edge, I think. So it's going to be a couple of grades. First I'll do it on the rough grade, which is around about 250 grit. Then I'm going to smooth it off with my diamond plates to about 1000 grit, finish the knives off, and I'm going to take them over to the honing wheel, remove that burr, then off to the kangaroo strop, where I'll give it a few wipes, get rid of that wire edge or the root of the burr, as they call it, and then we'll do some slicing through some tally-ho cigarette paper and see how sharp I got them. So here we go. I've already got a burr, so I'll just refine the edge a little bit. Perfect. So now I'm going to refine the wheel using a 320 grit diamond plate. This one's seen better days, but there's still got some good spots on it. nice. Look at these tips, magnificent. This is why I go tip first. It allows me to control the grind much more and provide even more stability at the heel as well. Right, so that's done. Over to the honing wheel, using a little bit of chrome oxide made by Veritas. This provides a little bit of abrasion on the leather wheel, just to take off that burr. You can feel the burr, it grips your fingerprint. So I always start with the burr up. You don't have to do it too much. Don't over hone. And the way that I test for burr is I run it on my fingernail and it should feel smooth, which it does. A little bit of roughness right at the very tip, so I'll just give it another light pass on or near close to the bevel, but favouring the apex or the very point of the edge, because that's really where you want to refine. That's where the burr lives. Okay, so that's perfect. Wipe it off. Now it's over to the kangaroo strop. I use the kangaroo strop because it has these amazing ridges which grip the wire edge and clean that edge beautifully. About 10 strokes per. Should be enough. Let's test. I use paper because it provides me great feedback. If it catches, then I know that the edge isn't fully as sharp as it could be. It's catching a little bit there. I mean, that's still pretty sharp, but it needs a little bit more. I might even put it on the back side where I've glued the reverse side of the kangaroo tail, the suede side, just to give it a little light pull. See if that helps. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Magnificent. But it wouldn't be a video without some paper stunts. So let's just do another one. Beautiful. So that's the Wilkinson sword. Sharp as the sharpest thing on the top shelf at the sharp shop. So that's how I sharpen a knife. 17.5 degrees, perfectly sharp, as you just saw. And I hope the customer's going to be happy with that. And if you're happy watching this video, then hit the like button. They're totally free. Just hit it. There it is. Give it a bang. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. And I want to show you some more stuff. But for now, that's it. I'm Baz. This was iSharpen. And I hope to see you again next time.